Breathing Space is a really important project for us at Tanio. It's an arts and health project that helps with well-being, social isolation, and it's a really great preventative service. So we've had some of our participants tell us that they no longer have suicidal ideation. For some, it's even stopped them from taking their own life. It's also just given them a community. So it's really important at that strategic level of how we look after the well-being of all the people in our community.
Coming here, you meet new people. We're learning new skills all the time, and it's pretty good.
I come to this session because it helps with my anxiety and depression. It gets me out of the house, meeting people.
It's doing something that you wouldn't normally do, you know?
We've got 6 groups going across Bridgend in some rural locations, some in central locations, so doing different art forms. We've got music, we've got visual arts, we've got creative writing.
We are a singing group based in Porthcawl. The aim was just to bring people in the community together to sing for their well-being. It's something that, we look forward to every Wednesday. Sitting and singing together for a few hours, it does put a smile on your face. Music in general is such a powerful tool in terms of where our emotions go and helping to uplift us.
You'll find it so easy and so friendly and so welcoming, and I just enjoy it.
I've found that people have really come out of their shells and they do feel more confident. It's very clear that they all have a connection now, which is really lovely to see.
One of our longest running groups is Bettus, and that's a visual arts group, and that's run by Alison. And we have a really diverse group. We have people who are neurodivergent, people who have learning difficulties, and people who are deaf or have lost hearing. And they all come together and create some beautiful works of art. We had a wonderful exhibition a couple of months ago where all the stuff that they've worked on was shared together.
We're delighted that Breathing Space won the Best Wellbeing Service in Wales award at the 2025 Mental Health and Wellbeing Awards. It highlights just how important the service is to communities and to our participants and why it needs to continue.
But since I've been coming here, it's helped my confidence.
I'm obviously on a new path in my life now, which has changed totally from what it was.
We're really lucky in this programme of work to have such strong partners. Working with Mental Health Matters and Arwen across Bridgend has been really valuable. It's allowed us to give referral pathways and also just raising the profile of the project, working closely with those partners to really make sure that the participants are supported as best they can be.
It's made a big difference, a big difference in my life.
We see the impact of it and the importance of it in our communities, and without this money, these 6 workshops wouldn't be happening. The help from BCBC in this particular project has been life-changing.